Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out the Warzone WZ12SUB 12-inch Super Powered Subwoofer Bundle, a powerful car audio package designed for drivers who want deep bass, strong output, and an easier installation experience thanks to the included Blue Gravity 4-gauge amplifier wiring kit. If you're building a car audio system and feel like your music lacks impact, this subwoofer package is designed to bring those low frequencies to life. The Warzone WZ12SUB features a 12-inch high-performance subwoofer housed inside a vented wooden enclosure. A vented enclosure is ideal for people who enjoy louder bass and greater efficiency, helping deliver the kind of punch that makes hip-hop, EDM, rock, and bass-heavy tracks sound more immersive. One of the standout features is its impressive power handling. With 600 watts RMS and up to 1800 watts peak power, this subwoofer is capable of producing substantial low-end output when paired with a compatible amplifier. The RMS rating is especially important because it reflects the continuous power the subwoofer can handle during everyday listening sessions. The included bass boost function allows users to increase low-frequency impact when desired. Whether you're cruising on the highway or showing off your sound system at an event, the extra bass enhancement can make a noticeable difference. Another useful feature is the variable crossover control, which allows you to fine-tune how the subwoofer blends with your vehicle's speakers. Proper crossover adjustment helps create a cleaner and more balanced audio experience. The vented wooden enclosure not only improves bass performance but also adds durability. Wooden enclosures are commonly preferred in car audio systems because they help reduce unwanted resonance and support better acoustic performance compared to many lightweight alternatives. A major advantage of this bundle is the included wired remote control. Instead of constantly adjusting amplifier settings, you can conveniently control bass levels from the driver's seat. This makes it easy to adapt your sound depending on the song, driving conditions, or personal preference. The Blue Gravity 4-gauge amplifier kit is another valuable addition. Many audio upgrades require separate wiring purchases, but this bundle includes essential installation components, helping save both time and money. The heavy-duty wiring supports efficient power delivery to your amplifier and subwoofer setup. Overall, the Warzone WZ12SUB bundle is aimed at car audio enthusiasts who want powerful bass, installation convenience, and strong value in a single package. Between the high power rating, vented enclosure, adjustable controls, wired remote, and included amplifier kit, this package offers a solid foundation for upgrading your vehicle's audio system. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check out the product using the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech and audio reviews. See you in the next video.